Hi, I'm Allie. As an estimator, precision and speed are everything, but outdated tools and disconnected data make my job and my team's job harder than it needs to be. Managing complex estimates in spreadsheets is difficult and prone to errors. All it takes is one wrong number to throw my whole budget off track. Material and labor costs are always changing, and without real-time updates, I'm left scrambling to keep up. Inaccurate estimates lead to budget overruns, uncompetitive bids, and costly miscalculations. Automated quantity takeoff should make my job easier. But when the data is inaccurate, I have to check everything manually. If the numbers are wrong, the whole estimate falls apart. But that's not my problem with Contruent. Their out-of-the-box SaaS solution has managed thousands of mega projects worldwide, backed by decades of real-world experience. And that knowledge is built directly into Contruent Enterprise. Now, real-time updates ensure my estimates align with current market rates, improving accuracy and competitiveness. With centralized data, my team stays aligned, minimizing errors and delivering faster, more accurate insights for smarter decisions. Pre-built templates and access to industry-specific pricing databases have standardized my process, saving me hours of manual work. Powerful QTO enhances precision with automated 2D and 3D takeoffs. Integrated with 5D BIM, it links quantities to costs, tracks expenses in real time, and logs every change. And no more back and forth emails or outdated reports. Everyone sees the same numbers in real time. Collaboration has never been this easy. With Contruent Enterprise, our teams get a powerful, ready-to-use platform with flexible data coding structures, turnkey dashboards, cost schedule integration, EVM, change management, and seamless integration of estimates, all in one place. Plus, Contruent's hands-on help got us up and running in just 4 months. No wasted time, no endless meetings, just fast results. So my team and I can make any project possible. And that's how cost management truly comes together.